Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. And not just any robot vacuums, but two titans. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, let's call it Shark AI, and the Roborock Q5 Max Plus Robot Vacuum. We'll just go with Roborock Q5. Fasten your seatbelts because it's about to get really clean in here. First up, we have suction power. Because, let's face it, if these robots can't suck, what's the point? Shark AI boasts incredible suction. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. It picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, taking no prisoners. Reviewers appreciate its efficiency on hardwood floors and area rugs, although it can be a bit noisy. But wait, here comes Roborock Q5 with 5,500 Pa Hyperforce suction power. Yes, you heard right. 5,500 pascals. That's not a vacuum, that's a miniature tornado in your living room. Reviewers love its ability to pick up fine dust and pet hair, making it ideal for homes with pets. Next, let's talk about the self-emptying bases. Because who has time to empty a vacuum anyway? Shark AI's bagless base can hold up to 60 days of dirt. That's 2 months of pretending you're living in a spotless utopia. Plus, no need to buy any additional bags. It's like the gift that keeps on giving, dirt. Reviewers appreciate this feature, although they note it's a bit loud. Roborock Q5, on the other hand, has a 2x.5L dust bag system that can go up to 7 weeks without emptying. So if you're someone who enjoys the occasional manual trash disposal, but not too often, this one's for you. Reviewers love its efficiency, but recommend buying additional dustbin bags as they fill up quickly. Now, on to navigation and mapping. Because if these robots get lost, they're just expensive paperweights. Shark AI uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home with the precision of a military operation. It cleans in a precision matrix grid, making sure no spot is missed. It's basically the Terminator of vacuums. Reviewers are impressed with its mapping capabilities, but wish it had a no-go zone feature. Not to be outdone, Roborock Q5 comes with the PreciSense LiDAR navigation system. It creates detailed 3D maps and adapts to different environments. It's like having a tiny, obsessive-compulsive cartographer in your house. Reviewers rave about its smart mapping and obstacle detection, making it great for various surfaces. How about voice and app control? Because who wants to get up from the couch to press buttons? Shark AI lets you set a cleaning schedule or initiate on-demand cleaning with just your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having a butler who doesn't judge your messy habits. Reviewers find the app helpful, but note it lacks some advanced features. Roborock Q5 takes it a step further, syncing with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. Just say the magic word, and voila! It's cleaning time. It's like having 3 butlers who also don't judge. Reviewers love its user-friendly app and seamless integration with smart home systems. So what do the reviewers say? Shark AI is praised for its powerful suction and efficient mapping, although it can be noisy and the app lacks some features. On the other hand, Roborock Q5 is celebrated for its tornado-like suction, smart navigation, and versatile control options, making it a hit among pet owners and tech enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. Both Shark AI and Roborock Q5 are powerhouses in their own right. Shark AI with its black hole suction and military-grade mapping, and Roborock Q5 with its tornado suction and obsessive-compulsive navigation. If you ask me, they're both fantastic, but if you want to feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie, Roborock Q5 might just edge it out. But hey, what do I know? I still can't set up my smart toaster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, the product links are in the description. See you next time, smart shoppers!